Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review two products from Good Vibes, that is the green tea purifying face wash and another is the honey gel, and I'm going to review in details what I felt about these two products. Let me come to the green tea purifying face wash first. This claims to have no parabens, no mineral oils. That means it's safe for your skin. And green tea, as we all know, it has soothing properties. It has antioxidants. It cleanses your skin. It purifies your skin. And if you have oily, acne-prone skin types, green tea is extremely beneficial. Extremely beneficial for your skin. This one is, as you can see, it comes in a pump tube, and it has 120 ml of product. Its price is 195. You will get it at a discount at Purple. Now Purple around the year offers some kind of discounts on all their products, and for me, I got it for free. Because I have taken a membership from Purple. This came for free, and as they say, they have purified water, betaine, glycerin, sodium lauryl ether sulfate, propylene glycol, cellulose, hydroxylurea, polysorbate 20, sodium benzoate, green tea extracts, aloe vera, leaf extract, neem extract, basil, lily flower extract, disodium EDTA, olive, perfume, color, and a few other chemical products. Now this one, after the first use, I found it to be quite good. I'll show you its consistency. This is the consistency. It comes in a slightly thick gel form, and its smell is mild. I mean, you can use it if you don't want a very foamy face wash, a very deep foamy face wash. You can use it on your face. You can use it every day, and I'll just apply it on my skin and show you. I have nothing, absolutely nothing on my skin right now. I'll show you. Yeah, this is what the consistency is. Creamy, not very foamy, not very lathery. It doesn't have a strong fragrance. Massage upwards. This is mild enough to be used every day, and my skin especially looks like an oily tray in summer. It's so oily, and I still get those tiny acne bumps in places, and I definitely need to get rid of them. Summers are troubles for me because there's a lot of oil, grime, dirt floating around, and it all gets settled on my skin. So you see, after massaging it thoroughly, it absolutely disappeared onto my face. Okay, so if you're not too fond of strong fragrances in your face wash, don't want it to be too foamy, foam based face wash, want it to be a gel kind of a face wash, have acne issues, you can definitely go for this, guys. This is really amazing. I mean, just sticks onto my skin, and then I'll have to wash it off, and I'll then come back. I added some water, and see, my skin feels so good right now. It's like on warm days you will feel absolutely refreshing after using this face wash. You'll clean your face and you'll feel the difference right there. See, my skin looks clean, squeaky clean, not the very drying types. I am not feeling it very drying on my skin, because I already said I have a very oily skin, so it doesn't feel Sahara Desert dry. It's okay. Now I'll review another product from Good Vibes, and that is the honey gel. This is the honey gel. Similarly, just like I did with a green tea, I said with a green tea face wash, this one also has no parabens, no sulfates. It comes in a beautiful plastic bottle. Yes, this is a plastic bottle, golden lid bottle, golden lid tub, and this is the honey gel. See, I'll just show you the consistency. Yeah, guys, check this out. Amazing. You can see the color. You can see the color here, right? And this smells not really like honey, I should say. The smell is not really like honey. Slightly artificial fragrance, but I have been using it for a week now. Though I know it's quite a short time to set you up with a proper review, but I can tell you that I got a small slight acne bump here. I had been applying it regularly for the past 1 week. See, I don't do sponsored videos, so whatever reviews I give, you can trust me to be honest. So from my side, it's a yay for the green tea face wash from Purple. Go get it if you are suffering from oily, acne prone skin. You need a mild cleansing face wash with a slight fragrance. You can definitely go for it, guys. You can trust me on this. Go for it. I'm sure you'll love it. I have been using it for quite some time now, and it feels wonderful on my skin. You can see the difference, the shine there. Yeah, my face is gone off all the grime and dirt that was there. You can see the difference from close up. Yes, so go for it, guys. So it's a yay from my side on this, and you can go ahead with this. It suits all skin types. You can give it a try. Surely you won't be disappointed. Let me know how you loved my review of these two products. Tada, take care and goodbye.